Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, I have clearly mentioned you that this particular pattern has formed and that is where we have seen an upside because it was a narrow pattern. Okay, and after 3400 there was a clear indication that the price will go further upside. Okay, there is a change in the volume also at this particular time showing an upside, and there is a continuous upside. We have seen there is a higher and higher side. Why at this particular level when it was making a new high, that is all time high, what we have seen that the silver was about to touch its all time high and the gold is already at higher price. Okay, and silver was around 2 to 3 or $5 below the all-time high. So the price was stagnant at particular range and it was slowly moving compared to what we have seen in the silver. And silver made a high and then it made a sharp fall. That is what we have seen in the gold prices also. Okay, that whenever gold price make a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Okay, if you see all the charts here, you will see that whenever it is trying to make a high, we have seen a fall. Similar fall we have seen in this particular level. Now if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen that the price above 11 made a high of around 43.84, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, after that there is a continuous fall. Now one thing that you have to note here is that the price is around 38.99. This is a strong resistance. The price is below that particular level, already above that particular level. So remember this particular support 38.99. So if the price fall below this level, a further downfall can be seen. Okay, there 38.99. And if the price keep moving up this level, we can see there can be a further upside towards $39.71, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, the price is trading at a level of $39.22 and chances are high because it has already touched a level of around $38.85. It has sustained above this level trying to go higher, because if you look at, I have clearly explained you that a level of around $38.99 is a strong resistance. Okay, now acting as a support. Okay, so when the price comes close to this level, it can bounce back, but if that didn't bounce back, we can see a further fall. So remember this particular level. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain above this level, then the next support very close to it at a level of 39.49 can be seen, which is a resistance too. And if the price moving up this level, then we can see a level of 39.71, which is a resistance 3. And once the price moving up that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards $39.94. And if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards next level of around $41.21. Okay, and once the price moving up 41.21, a probability of touching a level of 41.44 can be there. And if the price going above that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards $41.53. And if that sustain, a further high can be seen towards next level of around 41.62. This is what we can see. This is the resistance 5, okay, or 6. Understand there is a higher chances that if the price keep moving and keep sustaining above 38.99, a further upside can be seen. The price is already above that level, so these are the levels can be seen. But if the price started falling below this level, what we can see, the next support coming directly at $38.99. This is a support 1 and a strong support. So if a bounce back didn't come, it can come down again, further fall towards $38.90, support 2. And if the price falling below 38.92, a further fall can be seen towards $38.71. Okay, and if the price falling below 38.71, a further downfall can be seen towards after 38.71, 38.35 can be seen. And if the price falling below 38.35, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around, after 38.35 we can see a level of $38.17. Okay, and if the price falling below 38.17, a further downfall can be seen further down towards a level of around 37.94. And if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me, and as soon as the price started going 3800, below 3800, I'll make another video explaining you it can move. Any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Overall trend is downside, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. Till the time if it touches, we can see a bounce back. So hope you like the video.